Today we're doing an unboxing video of a very cool new product that you don't want to miss that's infused with all kinds of adaptogenic goodness. So stay tuned and we'll get after it. What's going on, my friends? Bryan Hardy here, back with another video where we talk about all things holistic nutrition, health optimization, men's health, consciousness awareness, and a whole lot more. Today is an exciting day because I have the opportunity to unbox what I think is a very cool and really evolutionary product. If you know me, if you've been watching these videos for a while, then you know I love herbal medicine and I love adaptogenic herbs. And those things are featured in this product that I want to bring to you today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Bryan Hardy. I am a men's health holistic lifestyle coach, helping to revitalize your life, make you feel better, make you feel stronger, make you feel more engaged and purposeful. And I like to share things that I enjoy, share things that enhance that process, share things that enhance your life, your physiology, your mental, physical, spiritual functioning, so you can be all that you're meant to be. Now, having said that, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. Make sure you stay attuned to the latest updates every Wednesday evening. At a minimum is when I'm releasing new videos. And I would love to have you join me on this journey and support you along your own path. To get into it, we're talking about Adaptogenic Gummies from Kiki Naturals. I'm going to change the camera angle here so you guys can see what I'm doing as I open up this box. Kiki Naturals is a Toronto-based company. I'm actually friends with one of the founders. Full disclosure, so I'm not completely biased in my review and take on this product, but she's someone who I trust, someone who has the same quality standards as myself. Very, very, very integrous and awesome person. So let's see, look at this. We take it out. Adapt daily. Restore, soothe, and support you rested. We've got ashwagandha, amla berry, holy basil, and reishi. Now, those are 4 powerful ingredients. Medicinal ingredients are 100% organic. That's a big thumbs up. Way to go. So, in each dose per unit, we've got holy basil leaf, 20:1 extract. We've got reishi, fruiting body, 16:1. Ashwagandha, 10:1 extract, and amla, 10:1 extract. Used in herbal medicine as an adaptogen to help increase energy and resistance to stress. Take 3 blocks 1 time per day. Okay. Take with food or meal to avoid digestive upset. Take 2 hours before or after. Okay, that's all the things that they have to put on there. 30-day supply. So again, some beautiful packaging, high quality ingredients. There we are. Here's our gummies. So they call them blocks. Oh my goodness. It smells amazing. Now we have gotten our gummies. That's 2 stuck together. Got them out of the jar. I'm going to try one. It's my first taste test. They smell really good. They smell just like you would think a healthy gummy would smell. There's a slight herbal note. Not bad at all. Considering the ingredients in there, ashwagandha, holy basil, amla, and reishi, those can be some very powerful tasting herbs and mushrooms. Like really powerful. Reishi, for instance, if you ever had a really potent reishi extract, that stuff is bitter. So they've done a great job of masking those flavors. You can definitely taste the stevia. I enjoy stevia, so that's not a downside for me, but you can definitely taste it. It's nice. It's got a nice texture, nice firm texture. They say 3 is a dose, so I want to give this a real shot and see how I feel. See how it affects me. I'm probably going to do 3 in the morning for for the next 7 to 10 days, and then finish at the end of this video to share any insights, to share my experience, any feedback, and help you to understand what things like this are. Because in a world overwhelmed with stress, something as simple as this, a little gummy, could be your best friend. Could be the thing that helps take the edge off, that helps boost your energy, that helps your system to adapt and to continue to move forward and continue to be resilient. And I know most people are not like myself, who are more than happy, very willing to put disgusting tasting powders and tinctures down their throat multiple times a day, specifically for the health benefit. Now, if you're not that kind of person, then this is the kind of solution you might be looking for. Because, again, high quality, organic, adaptogenic ingredients, easy to take, tasty way to take. You can even travel with these very easily. And yeah, it just simplifies the whole process. Makes it enjoyable for you to have your daily tonic. So I'm enjoying this. And my third one. Some of you might have to be careful having this around. If you enjoy the flavor a lot, you just want to be eating them by the handful. But I will say, they're not so delicious that you're likely to do that. You can tell there's herbs in there. You can tell there's medicine in there. So it's like, okay, I got my sweet, I got my little, candy-like experience. I'm good. So that's that. Stay tuned. In about a week, I will check back and we'll get to know how they have been affecting my system, how they've been working for me. And we're back, just like that. It's magic. It's actually been closer to 2 weeks since the first part of this video, and I'm happy to say that the effects that I've noticed from the gummies were subtle but appreciated. That's how I like to describe things, particularly with a lot of herbs. I took 3 every day. After breakfast was my typical. Some days I took them in the evening before bed, which is what they recommend, but I prefer the morning for my calm, focused energy boost. But you could take them any time of day, really. And what I found was that I really came to enjoy the ritual of the post-meal gummies, right? Looking forward to that little treat that has no guilt associated with it, that you know you're putting great things down into your body. And it's a great little ritual. It's a great little habit. It's a great little practice. You can travel with them, like I said, so even if you're eating out, you can still bring your gummies. Someone like myself will always bring supplements, enzymes, vitamins, whatever it is, to restaurants and then have those at the end of my meal. And so this is another thing that you could bring out with you and keep you from giving in to a sweet craving in a pinch, and just keep your herbal adaptogenic tonic going in every day, which is really the key with all of this, and which is why this is such a great product. Adapt Daily. The name spells it right out. And they've made it delicious enough for pretty much anyone, even a child, I'd imagine, would enjoy these. So if you are a parent and you're thinking, I need something for my own stress, I'm losing it, all this COVID craziness has got you at the end of your rope, then definitely give them a shot. There's no harm in trying them out. And if you have children or a husband or family or whatever, people in your house that you would also benefit from less stress, then share them around. There's probably enough to go around for the whole family. You can make it a fun little after meal game or after meal treat and enjoy those things together. So I highly recommend these. I appreciate them. I went through them. Me and my partner went through them quite quickly, so I got to get myself some more. But what you're going to want to do is go over to adaptdaily.ca where they have their shop. Use my code HARDY20, and if you're ready to order, put that in, and you'll knock 20% off your order. So that's it. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so and hit the bell to be notified of the next video. And let me know if you appreciated this style of product review, unboxing kind of video. And I'll do many more. And let me know if you have specific products that you would recommend, and I'll do my due diligence and look at them and see what I think. So I hope that this has been helpful to you. I hope that you are finding ways to cope and to feel your best no matter what's going on in the outside world. And don't forget that if you aren't aware, I have a free testosterone boosting video course specifically designed for men struggling with stress and low testosterone. So if that is you, or if that is a man in your life, then go and click the link down in the comments and make sure to sign up for that free course. And until next time, thank you for watching. Be well, have a beautiful day, and take care.